How to turn off safe mode without power button. To do this, simply tap on the floating menu right over here and scroll sideways until you find power off menu right over here. Then simply press on the power off menu, and as you can see, the power off menu has been opened without pressing on the power button on your device externally. And if you don't have this feature available on your device like this, the floating one, you can easily turn on it from your settings. In order to do this, you just have to go to your settings. So simply search for settings, tap on the settings. In your settings, scroll down until you find accessibility. Now tap on the accessibility. It should be under general management. Now tap on there. After that, simply press on the interaction and dexterity icon. Press on there. Here just find the assistant menu. It is on the second option, and make sure that this icon is turned on. If it is turned off on your device, simply press on here, tap on turn on, and as you can see, the button has started to appear. Now you will see a small floating button or icon appear on your screen. You can move this around as needed, and you can tap on the new floating button to open the menu. You can scroll sideways to see options, and you'll find the power off menu at here, and you can control your device right from here. Now finally, to adjust more settings, simply tap on the floating icon and tap on the menu settings. And at the first, there is the option called select assistant menu items. Simply tap on here. Now from here, you'll be able to control the buttons that you find useful or those that you use most often. You can simply tap on the plus icon and it will appear. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. In this way, you can easily turn off safe mode without power button. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.